seen that face before, Kitty. Have you got a test tomorrow?
Yes, it's a science test and it's impossible. It's more difficult than maths. It's about which animal are more bigger than other ones and which are the more biggest. I'm fed up with it.
More bigger? The more biggest?
I mean bigger and the biggest. See? Absolutely impossible.
Oh, come on now. Let's see. Look. Number 1. The whale is something than the shark.
Let me think. Lighter? Heavier? The whale is heavier than the shark.
Well done, Kitty. Now, let's have a competition. Can you guess the animal? It's lazier than Hero, cleverer than an elephant, and shorter than a gorilla.